What's up, guys? Welcome to my shop. I'm Neil, the maintenance man. Today we got a woodworking project going on. My wife wants like a crate to put a plant on or something like that, and so I'm gonna use a pallet wood and just going through the steps. And I'm not gonna talk much, but I will say I'm not a woodworker. I'm just winging this. I don't have a plan in my head, but I got something, the ball rolling. So we'll see where it goes. What's up, guys? So like I said, I'm building this little stand thing, and I'm using a pallet. The slats that I took off, I sanded them. I'd probably say if you're going to do a project like this, I'd probably just keep it and stain it. But I got young kids at home, so I tried to get away enough of the rough from these. So I'm going to build like a box, and these will be my sides. And looking at the pallet, they have this arch built in, so I think I'm going to take this 2x4 off, kind of cut it in half, and then use those as the legs or the bottom of this crate. Like I said, it's not really a crate. I'm not a woodworker. This is a hobby, so that's what I'm doing. But I'm going to show you guys my creation. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to the shop. Like I said, I'm making this crate type contraption to stick at home for the wife. She's gonna put a tree on it. A few things to go over. First time I've ever did this. I'm not a woodworker, but I like projects like this. So I sanded all the pallet wood. I used pallets for this project. Like underneath, I used the little arch from the leg supports and whatnot. I did use wood screws. I was originally going to use nails, but you know, it's going to hold something. So I'm going to finish putting these slats on, and I'll record it, and we'll go from there and see, you know, and then I'll stain it and everything. So this video is going to be kind of choppy. Did the best I could during the build, but it is what it is. Alright, for the last few steps, all I'm going to do is sand a little bit more, and I'm going to stain it. Probably put a coat of poly on it. Call it a day. I don't know. I might do some writing on it or something before I stain, and then I don't know, make it look good. But that's the last scenes. I will be using the Hyper Tough Random Orbit Sander. I do love this thing. So before I get to the staining, this is the final project. I'm pretty happy with it. I did have to use a different palette from the original to finish it up, but this board and this board are higher than the other ones, but where the the item's gonna sit, it's gonna be on the two bigger boards, and you won't lose anything there. Anyways, though, yeah, there's certain ways to do woodworking and stuff that I don't know about, but doesn't mean that you can't go out and give it a try. So never be afraid to do that. Alright guys, here's my staining. I use a paintbrush. That's how I do it. I'm not too concerned with getting this all to be matchy, so I might go a little heavier in some spots, a little lighter in others. I don't even mind a bare lighter spot. Sorry about that. But I'm just trying to get in there, and it's supposed to look like a worn piece. So, you know, wood wears differently depending if it's in the light or dark or whatever. I could just be full of you know what, but that's just my thought process on this part of it. So like I said, I am not a woodworker. I don't make stuff like this that often. It's the first time I'm doing this. It's not a hard project, but I thought it'd be one to show you guys kind of how I think through certain things. Yeah. So, yep. I'm gonna do some more now. Update you later. Alright guys, just put my final paint with poly on there. It's pretty much the final product. And that's what I use right here. And that is really good. Thanks for joining me.